In front of me is iPhone 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then tap on this plus at the bottom left corner. Select audio over here and record your message right away. When you're ready, click on red button at the bottom right corner. Then to listen to your message, click on play button. To send it right away, click on green one, and to discard it, tap on this X. Now to record a video and add it, use camera option. Record your video. To retake it, click at the top left corner. To send it right away, at the bottom right one, and to only add it to your message without sending it, this X at the top right one. If you want to add a video that's already created, tap on plus icon as well. Select photos. Look for your video here and click on it to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!